Boys, let's freaking go, boys. First account ever passed. Okay? You see this right here? You see this? Let me go over the plan. Let me go over the plan. And I'm still willing to take this trade right here on the other account if we end up coming to this trade right here. If I can literally just grab it. Oh my goodness. Alright, there we go. If we come above this, I'm going to take this trade live. We close below it. Above it. Anyway, we've been bearish all day. Literally, okay, I think it's messing up. It's like being goofy. Okay. I think we are about to get this close. We're gonna end up taking this trade live. Up to this 50%. But we did pass this account, you see. 53,000, we got it. I did take a losing trade already, as I think y'all saw on this account, thinking it would come up and get this inversion. It did not. Perfect.
Order working.
Now we just want a little bit of a retracement.
Order cancelled.
Come on, retrace more. Okay, I'm gonna buy him.
Order filled.
I want to target this 50%. This looks like a good trade. We're continuing. It looks like we're doing a we're reversing right here, and we just got this inverse fair value gap. And we made a higher low. Everything is looking good for this trade to work out. Dang, the entry was kind of terrible though. I'm not even gonna lie. Kind of a terrible entry. Alexa off. I'm a little worried about this high right here because this is in the middle of this fair value gap right here. Ooh. Not a good wick. Not a good wick. Do not like that wick. Okay, we just retested it for like the second time. Looking for this. I need a big push up. I need a big push up. This is what I was watching this entire time. Low key, it's like kind of good. Kind of like the drama. I like that. I like that candle. That's a good candle. I like that one. Showing some buyers still there. You know we got that big wick. Wick is very scary. Very scary wick. Looks like we're hesitating. We don't want to go up or down right now. We're kind of consolidating a little bit. We got like 4 candle consolidation. So it's not that great, but Oh, okay. Actually, that's fine. That's fine. Now it's in that big push up. Anyway, we're not gonna focus on this trade. We're gonna go over to this trade, which is where we took this inversion. Well, I saw all these wicks right here. I mean, this is so many buyers right here. We want to push up. Then we get that big push up through this fair value gap. And let me see where my stop loss is. Okay, it's under this bad boy right here. I don't think this trade's gonna play out. If we get lucky somehow, that's fine. But we passed one account and we lost 1,000 on another account. That's fine. So we're coming down all morning. All morning we're coming down. Where's market open? Okay, yeah, market opens at the top of this, and we're just shooting down. Yeah, so I'm looking for a push back up to this 50%. That's what I want to see. And we get some buyers right here, and we get a push up through this fair value gap. We get a small push up we get a small push up here. Not a complete inversion yet. Looks like we're just playing around. And then yeah, we just got stopped out, I think. Yeah, we definitely just got stopped out. Oh, our body got stopped out. This is invalidated. Yeah, it's gonna push up and then it's push right back down. This one's invalidated, right? Yeah, this is invalidated. Alright, now our entry looks terrible because we're like the top. Now our entry looks terrible. Looks like we got a relative double top right here. We're gonna push up, that'd be crazy, but I don't think that's gonna happen. Anyway, let's go back to this. That was this trade, and I only needed like $300 to to pass the account, and so I took profit at $500. Could have done like $700 probably. Yeah, we took profit at $539, and I just secured that 53,000, bro. Freaking passed the account with the new strat. First account with the new strat, and we passed. All it is, looking for a key level liquidity to get taken out, swept. Then we look for an inverse for value up, and we do that. I mean, our key level of liquidity was London high up here, but we didn't get a reaction. Who's that? We didn't get a reaction off of that. Yes. All right, we're back. Yeah, we're actually getting a push on this, which is wild. We're back in green. We're just gonna hold that though. Crazy. We got 3 touch on this. We're kind of bouncing right here. Probably should take profits. Do I take profits or do I wait? Do I hold it up to here or do I take profits because it's probably gonna bounce back here? What's the smart decision in this moment right now? I don't know. You got 250 right now. I think I'm gonna hold. This is looking pretty bullish. We're gonna hold. Hopefully we get up to this fair value. Yep. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah, we're gonna hold this. Anyway, this one right here was taken off of a close above this fair value gap right here. This bad boy right here, we closed above it. We were retracing. We got a retracement. We pushed up. We got a retracement down. I got an entry, and then it was the wrong entry, obviously, because it was the first of these three pushing down. And then this entry obviously is out of this fair value gap right here. Right here, we inversed it. We inversed this bad boy right here. We closed above. We got a retracement, but I got a little greedy and FOMO'd a little bit and bought in early right here. So this is why the entry is so terrible. Yeah. So, and we got edged. We got edged by this right here. I almost took the same trade twice. You see that? I need a pretty big push here. What I'd be hoping for. Yeah, because it looks like it's not wanting to go any higher, especially with that candle. What we're trying to break out is this right here. We're trying to break out of this. That's not what I want. That's not what I want. And we get no fair value gap to support that. It's not what I want. That's not what I want. Are very bullish though, I think. I think we want to come up. We need to come up and go take out that 50% level. Do a little trend line. Do a little trend line. Up back, guys. This is actually freaking crazy. I don't know how we stopped out right here. This is not a good trade, to be honest with you. This is a lucky trade. Like, what even is happening here? That's wild. We did not break out. Now, I think we might get a retracement here. Crazy lucky that we did not get stopped out there. Crazy lucky. Now, we have this level right here. Might take profits. I don't know how far down it would retrace. Okay, once we see. Oh, in that push. Yeah, I think it might hesitate on this level right here, this fib level. Okay, we're putting our stop above this. I mean below this for value gap though. Let's turn this off. Off. crazy lucky, guys. Insanely lucky with this play. Is it gonna hit TP? That would be crazy if it hits TP. I'm not gonna lie. No freaking way it's gonna hit TP. No freaking way it's gonna hit TP. There's no way it's gonna hit TP, right? Bro, look at this. We buy here, it almost hits the stop. What am I doing? I gotta move stop up. Yeah. Move stop over here.
Order working.
Move the stop up.
Order cancelled.
Move that stop loss up. Okay, now we're gonna need a retracement off this level. Hopefully it doesn't go too far though, right? Yes, this is what we want. Oh wait, we also have yeah, we broke out this level. And I want to see push up to this surface. There you go. That's freaking crazy. We guaranteed I don't know, profits. But we did guarantee that we are not going to lose as much as we were going to lose. We're only going to be down like 100 if this hits stop loss. If it's TP, we're hitting like... Yo, I had a crazy idea. What if I double down? What if I double down on this trade right here? This is a good setup. We're very bullish. We did hit this level though. Nah, we ain't gonna double down. That's too risky. We don't like too much risk. We're not getting a large retracement yet, which means we might get a very large push soon. It's like building up that energy. Just made a higher high. We broke this high. Broke the high. Go ahead and hit TP. Go ahead and just hit the TP. I mean, I don't even care at this point. You can just go ahead and hit it. I'm not even gonna look. You can just do it while I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Just go ahead and do it. What the heck? Is he gonna edge me again? It better not.
Order filled.
Let's freaking go, bro. Here's $1,000. Don't worry. We made $1,000 on that. Don't know why it's showing just one.
Order cancelled.
Oh my gosh. What a day, bro. What a freaking day. Okay, hold on. I gotta take a break, bro. This is too much for me. Oh my gosh, bro. What is this? What is today? This is wild. That was not a good trade. That should not have hit. That should not have hit at all, bro. Oh my goodness. That is wild. We lost 500 here, and then we made 1,000 here. It says 560. I don't know why, but it says buy 10, sell 5. So that's only half the position. Wow. Oh my goodness, guys. What a day. No way we caught this move right here. Do you see this? We just caught that. Wow. Wow. What a day. We caught this move right here. Here, let's just mark it out. We caught this move. Then we catch this move. All with the same strategy, guys. It's the same exact strategy. Honestly, this was a terrible entry and we should have got stopped out. Why is it not doing the rectangle? There we go. Then we catch this entire move. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, guys. This is gonna be the live trading part. Wow, that's incredible. All glory to God. Oh my goodness. I'm like lost for words. How do we? That was so lucky. That was the luckiest I've ever gotten right there. That was not a good trade. Wow. Wow, don't do that, guys. Do not do the lucky trades. This literally should have hit this should have hit the stop loss right here. It was like 2 ticks away from the stop loss. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, 3 trades. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. All right, let's not. This is okay. I'm done glazing my trades. Let's go over the trades now. Okay, I'm not gonna do 2 separate videos because they get 0 views, so it doesn't even matter if I do 2 videos. All right, so I already went over them kind of. We're gonna go over them one last time, and we're gonna journal, and then that'll be the end of the video. So, this trade, we're done trading, by the way. This trade right here, we needed $300 something, $390 to pass the account. So I wasn't looking for a gigantic trade. Yeah, I wasn't looking for a gigantic trade. I was looking for I was looking to trade normally and then just take profits when we hit the 53,000 mark, because we only need 3,000 past the account. And this is my first account ever passed, by the way. So I taught myself. I'm not good at it. Yeah, anyway, stop that. Anyway, we hit this trade. We banged this trade right here off of this inversion, this 1 minute fair value gap, after we showed some signs of some bullish bullish orders coming in. We didn't hit liquidity here because we already hit it all the way up here. I knew we want to come and retrace a big retracement up to this 50% fib level, which I think we might go do. We might come down here and then bounce all the way to this 50%. That's my prediction. Also, this lines up perfectly with this trend line. So I think it's gonna come down, hit this trend line, and bounce up. Anyway, we then proceed to take a trade on this other account, thinking that we are going to continue higher, which we did not. We instantly go back down, hit this thing, we come up again, we retrace again. I probably should not have taken this trade, to be honest with you, but we did inverse this fair value up right here, and I should have waited for a retracement, which I did not. I FOMO'd, and then bought in, and then it comes down. Should have stopped me out, but if I would have bought slightly higher, we would have got stopped out. Literally the worst entry I could have gotten. It was the worst entry I could have gotten right there. Super duper lucky, extremely lucky that the stop loss was as big as it was. And I just want to say, look at this right here. Exactly what I said. We come down and bounce off of this. This is a fantastic entry right here. I think that this is almost, I'm going to say this is 80% sure this is going to go up and hit the 50% level right here. 80%. I'm done for the day though. I'm not risking that. If I'm wrong, I'm not going to risk me being wrong. Then we got lucky. We held. I could have made a decision. I was going to take profits here, minimize the loss. Actually, I think we're even. Break even on the day right here. And y'all saw, I was debating holding to take profit or just taking a break even day. And I can't believe I held that. I cannot believe. Yeah, we're definitely pushing up, guys. This was live, I would have told y'all to buy. Especially if we break out this 1 minute. If we break out that 1 minute for very gap, it's almost 100% going here. Yeah, and we're got so lucky. Oh my goodness! And then we banked $1,000 something. We're up $560 on the day. For this account. Wow, incredible day. All glory to Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. All glory to him. It's not me though, because I'm terrible at trading. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? Alright, we're gonna journal. Alright guys, let's journal this. Okay. P&L of the day, 1,000. What do we usually get on like a good trade? Okay, we get 1,130 on a normal trade. So this trade, we did this. We did also this trade. It looking a little bad, so we caught at the top. Yeah, and you wouldn't want to take this unless it broke out this 1 minute. It inverses 1 minute. Yep. 1 minute inverse. 1 minute fair value gap, unless it formed an IFVG. There we go. So we made 1,130 on this plus 500. So we're just gonna say 1,600. We're gonna say $1,600. 1,600. 1,600. Pretty good day. Pretty good day. How do I feel? Very pleasant. I'm very hopeful. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Grateful. What emoji we looking like today? What emoji we feeling like today? We smiling for sure. We definitely smiling. Let's see this one. What is this? What is this emoji? What is this emoji we just used? I don't know. Not 5 out of 5. Come on. We'll go 4. We'll go 4 because it was based on the strat, but it wasn't an ideal. It wasn't the ideal. We'll go green, but not full green. So like the green with the white. Anyway, I'm feeling a little zesty. I don't know why I did it. I felt like that for a second. Anyway, let's continue. Ignore that. Ignore that. Okay. Trade recap of the day. Let's go for this. Let's go for this. Fantastic patience. How do you spell patience? Patience. Ins. That's how you spell. That's so wrong. Okay, now we gotta look it up. Now we have to look up how to spell patience. Patience. No way, I'm having to copy and paste how to spell patience. That's crazy. Okay, fantastic patience today. We were plummet. Bro, how do you spell plummeting? Ain't no way to spell this too. Plummet. That's how you spell it? 2 M's? I would have never spelled that correctly. Plummeting. to the floor at market open, period. But I waited until we got an IFVG. I scalped 500 buckaroonies to pass my first ever funded account. Shout out Gus. Shout out Gus Trades, bro. Shout out Gus Trades. Now we still have to trade on the account. I'm pretty sure like we can go down to 1 micro, and so we're risking like how much we're risking with 1 micro, like risk $50. And I gave us a little bit of wiggle room. We got $150 of drawdown. Okay. I scalped $500 to pass my first ever funded account. Then I got on another the Apex accounts, they dropped back down to a 90% discount, so I bagged 2 of them. 2 more accounts, so I got 3 accounts total. One that cost $88 and the other 2 that cost $16. Gotta wait for those discounts, man. Then I got on another account and lost the first trade trying to long off of a IFVG that to continue higher. What else we do? What else? This instantly got stopped out. Over traded a little bit, but we got very lucky that the second long ended up playing out to TP. Where's this going? Where's the ooh. Yo, there's still hope. If we inverse this gap right here, we can go higher. Oh, this looks like a pretty strong level. Crazy that played out. Let's make sure we're out of everything. I don't want to be in anything. Get me out of everything. Get me out of everything. Bagging us a profit of 559. Dolores, whatever. That was the trade of the day today. Yeah, I will see you. Do we have news tomorrow? Let's check the news. I'll see you tomorrow. We'll be trading this other account, not the past account. Friday. Ooh, we get some news in the morning. We got a lot of red news in the morning, early morning before the market opens. Yeah, so we should be good. We should be good to trade. Might be another day like this. Yeah. Yeah, that's today. So see y'all tomorrow. It's kind of a longer video. Title is gonna be like Yo, should I clickbait? Why am I clickbaiting, bro? I got 0 viewers, bro. This is literally a journal to myself. Why am I thinking about clickbaiting? Anyway, peace out. Another green day in a row. Looking very good. This looks interesting. Not going to do anything, though. Peace out. See y'all tomorrow for another trade recap. Bye.